Alright, so we have these linear rail alignment tools we made. We used to make them all out of aluminum, and you know, they fit right in there, and they hug everything pretty good. They could be used temporarily, or you could just leave them on and use it as a stop so the carriage can't travel too far, you know. But anyways, so since this is made out of aluminum, you have to be careful because you could accidentally scratch the frame, which is no big deal, but you know, most of y'all probably don't want to scratch your frame up just, you know, having some kind of tool to align the rail with. So we have these plastic ones right here. These are made out of Delrin. So these won't scratch the rail up. Plus we can get the tolerances tighter, and you can just kind of squeeze, you know, force it on. So I'm going to put these two rail aligners on each side. Now I already have the rail, the screws are already kind of snug. So now I'm going to start on one side, and I'm not going to tighten it all the way. I'm going to get it a lot tighter. Is that the right screw? So I'm going to get one side. I'll go ahead and get this other side. It's just, I'm just kind of snugging it. Then I'm going to travel along each one of these holes. I like to go back and forth to make sure that it doesn't push its way up on one side versus the other side. Alright, so since I'm getting more of these snug, I'm actually going to start screwing them in all the way where it's tight. And the reason why I did that is sometimes if you just start screwing it down all the way tight the first time, sometimes the force from the screw rotating will actually kind of pivot the MGN linear rail, and we're using MGN 12H type linear rails. Alright, so I got that side. And I'm going to do the same thing to this side. And once I know for sure it's not going to move on me, I'm going to start tightening these things down all the way.